little bit bright outside, so you might be getting a lot of exposure. But I'm just gonna be doing the re-unboxings. I've already unboxed these. I've already received these a while back, and I just wanted to show you some of the stuff I had. So I placed them in the box that I got, and this is what it looks like now. Also, a few things, I bought some stuff for my mom. I gave away a few things that couldn't fit me, and I just don't know where some are. But we're gonna go into this nevertheless. I don't know what shipment, so obviously I'm gonna put it in the description bar. And if you didn't notice, the last video also had the prices in the description bars, okay? So this is a dress. Worn it. I wore it, and it's currently on my Instagram page, so you can always see how this looked. It was very pretty, and I also had to get it altered because I bought it large to accommodate the breast size. But where am I gonna put you? I'm gonna put you in there. I have this beautiful yellow sweater, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a sweater person, and this is so cute. So it's not light, but it's not heavy, so great find. Also, this also beautiful knit X-cross sweater. Wore it already. It's also on my Instagram page. You can also check that out. We have this shirt. I'm not gonna lie, this shirt came a little big, and I also hated how the armpits sat, like where they are, like they're here. Awkward placement for me. I'm not sure yet, but I'm not feeling it. I have yet to imagine an outfit with it, so that's another thing. You saw this dress. This dress was in my brunch clothing haul. Very beautifully nice mustard dress. Love it. I have this dress, which I already wore for christening, and this dress was actually really cute. It was a little big, but the breasts were able to fit, so sacrifices we have to make. Okay, this shirt, I've also worn it, one of my favorite shirts, and I love the color, the champagne color that it is, and also on my Instagram. So I've worn a few of these. I bought a few turtlenecks because I'm a fashionista. I don't really care about the environment that I'm in. But I wore a few turtlenecks, and this is one of them. I got a few fashion. I got a belt, and this belt is actually really cute. I'm not even gonna wear it yet. I bought this shirt. I have worn this shirt also a few times, really. Cute shirt, crop top. It can be worn to like beach or stuff like that. Worn in a few places. This is the other turtleneck. Love this one. I like the material. I like how it fits. Worn this dress already. That's why it looks like this, because I washed it. Anyways. This dress has a little white on it, probably left. Anyways, I won this dress already. It's really cute. Came out pretty decent. This is a shirt dress, or at least I think this is the shirt dress because I bought one. It's about that length, and we gonna figure out an outfit for that. I think I have another one, but I don't know where it is. This dress. I literally saw this dress and thought about frolicking in the fields, and your girl did. Also on my Instagram. This was the dress I wore for my birthday. This is a bubble sleeve dress, and I really did love it. It is so cute. It's so breathable. We're getting into the adventurous side. I bought this jacket. Why? Because I can, and why not do stuff? And I'm telling you, if it wasn't so hot, I'd wear this throughout the video. I'm like rich auntie vibes. Yes, yes. Energy. I bought this two-piece set. I've also worn. And it was a really cute combination of a top and a bottom. And I also posted this on Instagram, so you can also check that out. I bought this bathing suit. It comes with a very long string set. Probably will have to cut it because it's way too long. And it fits really, really great. Except, you know, cup size. And this is a size large. So, XL, I guess. You know, cup size is a problem. But we will survive. I bought this belt. And this belt gives me energy. I bought a few like this. Because I am a fanatic of the culture. Do you see how this just made the outfit better? Exactly, that's why I bought it. Alright, give me a sec. I bought this shirt. Just gonna turn it over so you can see it. Just showing you what else I have unboxed. Like I said, there's also a white turtleneck. I don't know where that is. I don't know. I bought this shirt, also wore it. And it really gave me this cute girl aesthetic simply because of this. It's not even real. It's just put in there. I wish you could take it off and put it in other things. But you know, didn't think that far ahead. I bought these boob tapes. Okay. Which I still have to test. Because I have yet to figure out how they're going to go on. I bought this dress. I had to get it altered because it was a little big. But I was really looking for a little black dress so that, you know, I could just pull on like a little friend find moment, if you know who that is, you know. But I ended up hating this ruche that it had at the front. I don't mind it at the back and at the side, but at the front, no. So I removed it. And it's actually really cute now. Can't wait to show you how it looks. What else is this? What else is this? Oh my gosh, I found the, okay, so I was cursing SHEIN telling them they have one of my products, but look at here. Wow, this is long, but it's ruched at the sides, so you can always pull it up, I guess, to a certain height. Guys, I was literally telling SHEIN I did not get my product, but look at it here, guys. So it's two dresses, a black, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to go apologize. A black and a green, as you can see. It looks like this, but when it's on, it will shape up and then it will ruche up. Can't believe I got them. You know, I was just saying, there's so much bags, I probably misplaced a few things. So sad. Look at them. This is a bodysuit that I have. I would love to try them on, but phone battery probably gonna die. This is the bodysuit. Fire. Need less to say. Say less. When I wear this, you see. Okay. This is the top that I bought. Also from SHEIN. I don't know. I was thinking about like one of these is when I'm really adventurous and want to go to the beach. I put it on like this and I walk around like oh, like that. What else is here? I'm trying to go through this as quickly as possible, so just in case it cuts off, I have a lot of content. Belts. Sorry. I bought this belt from SHEIN. It goes on like this. It's fire. Okay. Also, I have some socks. I don't know where they are. Some more nails. I bought this belt also, and it's a leather belt that wraps around your waist like this. Like this. And that is the last item from the old SHEIN clothing items. I will also, like I said, put the links in the description. I can't believe I just found that. But anyways, so guys, this is the last one. And I will have to bring you clothing hauls with these individual looks because putting on this amount of clothes is just going to be too much. Like I said, I bought also items to my mom. And I gave some away because they didn't fit. And guys, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And turn on your notification so you can see when your girl is dressing, you know, when I'm dressing up, because I live for these moments. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Once again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And turn on your notifications so you know when your girl is posting. Bye.